Welcome back, everyone. All right, right now we're going to hold our vibes with Samantha. Her journey started on stage at 9 years old. Now she's the owner of Vybance dance company. Can you believe it? And singer on the prestigious Lion King of Broadway musical stage, living in Madrid, Spain. And guess what? She's here with us this morning. Buenos días, mamacita.
Yes, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
That alone him know, so you better answer him.
Stop pressing me. Sí. Hola. Ándale. Interview, vámonos. I'm sorry. How are you? It's good to see you.
I'm great. How are you?
We're doing well, as best as we can. How are you coping? How is everything in Spain with the COVID-19?
Well, Spain was interesting because, of course, you know, it was hit the hardest out of like 4 countries. It was hit the hardest. So I was on lockdown, and it's not no Jamaican version of lockdown. It was full on lockdown. Cannot leave my apartment for many months. But now I'm back in Jamaica, and it's a little more relaxed here. So I'm here until I start back work, which we don't technically know. So thankfully, I have my companies in Jamaica that I can lean on when we're not there.
Amen. Okay, so with all of this that's going on, what was the Lion King on Broadway like? You know that has to be my question, right?
It was literally my dream come true. So imagine just living your dream and grateful every single minute of it. It was, I don't even know how to explain it. Lion King was everything you would expect it to be.
Girl, yes. Lovely.
Every night, many shows a week. For so long, it was tiring but worth it. Phenomenal.
Yeah, and I hear you're getting ready to do some dancing because I hear music in the background.
Yes.
And I know Sakina loves Lion King. You love Lion King. But what was the experience? What specific moment do you remember most about the Lion King?
Ooh. I think two of the most memorable moments for me will be every single night hearing the beginning. Perfect. There's no other feeling after hearing that. And then I think the second favorite part is looking at the audience's reaction. And every night is a different audience, and somebody's seeing it for the first time, so they're.
Yeah.
So I enjoy seeing their facial reactions the most.
Okay, what was it like for you going to a different country and having to transition from your Jamaican culture into this whole new world?
You know, I've lived in different countries before, so that part wasn't bad. The part that was really crazy was not knowing Spanish as well as I thought I did. So when you go to a Spanish-speaking country where they don't speak too much English, I'm just like, I'm making up everything until I can get my head around it. That was the most difficult part, just learning Spanish. But
so you never use one of those translator things on the phone where you say what you want into it and then it tell people?
Of course, that on my side, everyone need God.
All right, so you're back home, and I know dancing is your life.
Yes.
Dancing is your everything. What has that been like since we've had the lockdown, since COVID-19? What has dance been like now? What's the atmosphere?
Wow, well, we recently started back dance classes. So we have a limited amount of people that we'll allow in the studio right now, but you know, work have to happen, we have to try and make money. So we do only have maybe around 10 people per class. Dance has been difficult because a lot of people are fearful, but thankfully we have our loyal students that will still take classes and still want to work out, and they'll come, and it's going slowly but surely. It will get better.
Wonderful. I'm glad that something is happening. I've seen people in dance studios with like squares on the ground and you can only move in that square. So I know that you guys are doing your best to keep yourselves safe. I'm ready for the vibe. I'm ready for the dancing, girl. I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so I have my co-CEO with me today.
Your co-CEO.
And he's going to help me teach you guys our little routine today.
Okay.
How are you doing today?
Hola.
All right.
He's a great dance instructor.
It's in our mirror reflection.
Yeah.
So just do your best. No, but just say, come on.
right, come.
You have to step.
No,
come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like, all right, so you dip on this side.
Step or right, second to ball change. Step.
Come.
And then together.
What?
So when that step, you're going to fling your hand. Step, together. You got it?
No.
Right, get that 5, 6, 7, and step together. Yes, then you're going to twist your right leg. In, out.
Hey.
Ready?
Why would you so handicapped?
5, 6, 7, and step together. In, out. There you go. Then you're going to step to your right, then in, then left, then look.
All right, someone test because we have 2 left foot. Well, me have 2 left foot. We're gonna allow you
Yeah, you
to
do
run
the
through the
dance.
routine because
Let's see what it look like. We are gonna take like half hour. You
Yeah.
go through the thing.
We can do it.
Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, and step together. Twist up. Step right and in, left and look. Simple. Now when you swing our leg down, swing, drop. Yeah! We can call it the opposite for you. Swing around and then drop it. And then to the right and left. It's like an Afrobeat dance, so you know, like a little spice it up a little bit. Yeah. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step and in. Twist out, twist up. Step to the right and in, left and in. Oh, look, sorry. Then swing your leg, drop it to the right, to the left. Great. You get it? Yeah.
I ended well.
But I know a little bit more than we track the music. So last week was right, then left.
Sam.
We're ready. You do it now.
Sam, here we go on.
Right and left.
Yeah.
Right and left. Hey. And right. And left. Hey. And right. And left. Yeah, man. Let's try out the music now from the top.
Yeah, you do it from the top. We will watch. We will. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, and that them you want me to do?
Yeah, Chester is good.
That is what you wanted us to do so fast. You're wicked.
You can catch it, man.
Next time.
One more time.
Me
You
catch you next
do
time.
it. We watch. Ready? Go that fast. Who could do that? Yes, sir. Hey. Hey.
See, it's our favorite part.
Hey. I can do that. I can do that part. Hey. All right. Good job, Sam. Sam, I can do the booty shaking twerky part.
Awesome.
I can do the other part, the booty shaking twerky part. I can do that.
All right, guys, awesome.
It is so much easier.
All right, so they can find you on Instagram, right? Instagram.
Yes, you can find us on Vybance, JA, on Instagram.
All right, thank you, Sam. Thank you, Chester.
Bye, guys. Y'all look amazing. Stay safe.
Much, guys.
All right, we're just getting started here on Weekend Smile. Continue with us after the break. Some more dancing. Shake.
Do this something.
Wait, no, for that one. Yeah.
I can't do that one day either. I tell you which one I can do, but if I do that, then I'm going to have more to say.
What's up?